Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by entering the Gmail address you can't access and choosing Forgot Password. Once done, Google will attempt common verification steps. Make sure to pick Try Another Way until you reach the Recovery Email option. You'll be prompted to send a verification code to your recovery email, so confirm that address on screen and click Send. This first step moves control to your recovery inbox and starts the secure token exchange needed to prove ownership. Once Google sends the code, switch to your recovery email and locate the message. Check spam if you don't see it. Make sure you open the latest message from Google and copy the full 6-digit code. Partial copying or extra spaces will cause rejection. Then return to the Google sign-in flow, paste the code into the verification field, and submit. After verification, Google may ask you to create a new password and review recent activity to secure the account. After entering the code, you'll set a new password. Choose one unique and long, then confirm it. Once you regain access, immediately review recovery options and enable two-step verification to prevent future lockouts. Make sure the recovery email and phone number are current and sign out unused devices if prompted. If the code never arrives, use the Account Recovery Form option and provide previous passwords or account creation details. This extra verification helps Google manually confirm ownership and restore access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.